Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of report. A written account of a matter, particularly in the form a document, that has been subject to thorough investigation and consideration by a designated person or body. For example, the Chairman's Annual Report. The second definition of report. An unsupported statement that is not supported by solid evidence, but that the speaker believes may be true. For example, reports were circulating that the chairman was about to resign. American pronunciation. Report. Report. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Report. Say. Report. Report means account given of particular matter. Report. Report. Report origin. Late Middle English, from Old French reporter verb and report noun, derived from Latin reportar, bring back, from back, plus portar, carry. This sense of give an account gave rise to the submit formal reports. Report sense 2 is mid-19th century. Report sense 3 is late 19th century. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. There is nothing special to report on the technical side. Now, repeat after me. There is nothing special to report on the technical side. The second practice. There isn't a whole lot to report on this transfer. Now, repeat after me. There isn't a whole lot to report on this transfer.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.